this keyword. So in previous program we have used a this. So what is this? This is a reference variable that refers to the current object. It is primarily used within the instance method or constructor of a class to refer to the current instance of a class. So let us consider this example. So how you are using this. So here if you are going to consider a particular classes. So here you are having a two classes. The first class is person, the another class is test person. If you see class name is person, it contains different attributes which are declared as a private. Here private, string name and age. So two attributes we are using, name and age. So now here we have defined public person. So what is person? Person is a name of class. So what is this one? So whenever you are going to define, so this particular person name method, so which is same as class name, it is called constructor. So it is said to be a constructor. So now what you are doing here, by using a this, you are passing so two arguments. So what arguments you are passing? Name and age. So what is the name? Name is John Doe, age is 25. So where to where you are passing. So now the constructor which you have declared, it doesn't have any argument. So first constructor don't have any arguments. Second constructor which you have defined is having two arguments. So now you are going to call this dot name equal to name, this dot age equal to age. So it means you are going whatever the arguments is received from this particular program. So here if you are going to say person 1 equal to new person 1. So it is a test person is having a main method, person doesn't have main method. So now here you are going to print person 1. So now person 1 is an object. By using a person 1 dot display info, you are going to call person 1 dot display info. So where display info is there, so display info is a method which is going to display the details. So now we have just given system.out.println to give some blank line. So next we are going to call the person2. Person2 is having two arguments. So here we are passing Jane Smith and age is 30. So which person it is calling? So first person it is going to give the John Doe 25. Second person is accepted. First person doesn't have any arguments. So second person is having a going to have a parameters, two parameters, name and age. So it is called parameterized constructor. So now what you are doing? So you are going to call the person2 details. Person2 is an object, display information. So what display information? Again this method is going to display the information. So now this particular display information is having name and age. So where does it is going to set? By using this get name, get age. So here we have not used the set name, set age because we are passing through the constructor. So now here get name, so string get name, it is going to return the name. So get age, it is going to return the age. So now whenever you are going to use this dot name, so now it is going to assume, so whatever the name you have set through command line arguments are already by using a this, so this name, so not that particular name, so which is declared as a private. So you can able to access the data members and methods by using this particular constructor. So let us compile this particular program. So now it has shown the details of person 1 and as well person 2. So person 1 it has declared a John Doe and age is 25, and it has declared the second person Jane Smith and age is 30. So one more example. So here we are going to pass one more values. So here we are going to use the, so first one is class name example. It doesn't have any main method. So here we are using a getter and setter methods. So here we are seeing, so there are two particular methods we are using, so which are getter and setter method. So first one, getX, setX. So whatever the values you are going to set through setX. So in a previous program we have passed through the constructor. So without using the constructor, here we are going to create an object. So example EO. So example is a name of the program. So already we have declared a private integer x. So here EO is an so object. So equal to, you have created an instance. So now EO dot set x 42. So whenever you are going to set a x of 42, so here you are passing one parameter. So that parameter will be assigned to this one, and whatever the variable you are passing is considered as x. This dot x equal to x. So it means it is going to consider the particular private variable which is declared as x, we are assigning as a public. So it means that particular modification can be done by using a public. So next we are calling that particular method eo dot sum method. So we are calling that method name is sum method. So sum method is a name of the method. So now it is going to call one more method called, so whenever you are calling this particular function, so inside this method it is calling one more method. That particular method name is another method. It is having a parameter called this. So this refers the current object. So now it is going to pass that particular object. So here this is another method, example object. So it is going to take the example object as a class name. So whatever the parameter we have sent, so that one is going to consider as an object. So it means example is an name of class. So now here it is going to consider as an example object. So now here we are going to define integer value equal to, so this particular object dot getX. So what is getX? So getX is going to return whatever the value you have written. So finally it is going to print the value. So whatever the value you have passed is 42, that particular 42 will be printed on the screen. Execution is success. So now the value of x in the passed object is 42. So now it has printed. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.